Hello students, today our topic is rabbit. For rabbit we require 2 origami paper, 1 fabric and 1 pencil. So first we make the face. So we take 1 paper, color paper should be up. Now we have to fold the triangle. Please give the crease properly, crease is very much important. Then we have to fold one more triangle till this line and give the crease. Now from this two corner we fold again one triangle from this side and one more triangle from this side, like this way. And give the crease properly. Now from here again we fold the triangle like this way from both the side. From here also we fold a triangle like this way till this line only and give the proper crease. Now we making the rabbit ears. So we fold the paper to the left side from this side and give the crease. From here also the same way and give the proper crease. This way you have to fold the paper from other. So this our rabbit face is ready. Our rabbit face is ready. Now we have to make the eyes of the rabbit. Mouth, nose, so our rabbit face is ready. Now we make the body part. So for that also we require one paper, origami paper. Again color paper should be up because rabbit color is white, so we are using white paper. So we fold again one more triangle like this and give the proper crease. Now there is a middle line is there. Can you see the middle line? Till middle line we have to fold the paper like this from both the side till middle line. Like this way. After that we fold triangle, just need small space, you can say 1 finger space, and we fold the triangle like this way. Again when we keep 1 finger space and we fold the triangle upside. Now again we fold the triangle from the top corner side like this way and give the crease. Now fold the triangle like this way. So this is the body part is also now ready. Now we have to merge the face and body. So we have to stick here like this. You can put this inside paper also. So our rabbit is ready. So you can stick also with the fabric stick. Now our rabbit is ready. So you have to give the background according to rabbit and you have to stick the rabbit on it. Thank you.